The video that you see on the screen right now, it's a video of these idiots, these guys. The first one, here's the second one, there's another one at the back there. They hijacked an Uber driver who was doing his job, doing his normal job, like a normal citizen, someone who is a law-abiding citizen doing their job in a normal way, and then they requested a ride. Somehow we took them on, and then along the way, they robbed him, and then they forced him to the back. As you can see him lying there, you see there's 4 of them. Here's the back. At the back, there's 2, and then those ones that were sitting here at the front. Now they are going to take him out of the vehicle, and then they are going to strip the vehicle. Now, anyone who can recognize or who knows these guys is urged to contact Crime Stop on 0860 10 111. 08600 Crime Stop is urged to contact a Crime Stop. Or if you have MySubs app, just reach out, because this can't go on, man. We see these things almost every now and then, and some of them, they end up very, very bad. They end up very bad. And if you know these guys, just reach out. And the incident happened on the 16th of June, and the time was around 1950. And when you run the coordinates here on the GPS, it gives you something that happened along the Joburg side. So if you know what happened, if you know these guys who did this, please reach out. Please reach out, because this guy was just doing his normal duties on a normal day, unsuspecting, and then he got robbed. This is what we go through as the citizens of the country almost every day. If it's not a robbery or a hijacking, it's something else. There's other videos I saw here, I saw of farmer house break-in. In fact, it was an attempt, but we'll deal with that when the time comes. Right now, it's just about what is happening on this guy, who is the owner of this vehicle. I'm not even sure what type of the vehicle he was driving, but the reports or the posts where I saw this, it says the guy is an Uber driver. There was no much detail about it, except the footage that was shared by the driver, I guess, after the aftermath, or maybe the car track, because you see, now they are now ransacking the guy's vehicle. If you can look closely, there's a pliers here. I guess this is something that they are going to use to strip some of the things. It's a tool. They are going to be using it to do whatever it is that they wanted to do. And I feel sorry for the guy. I don't have any much detail about him in terms of surviving this ordeal, or did he make it? Did he not make it? There are no reports that indicate anything apart from what we see on this video right here and now. And this is a very sad one, man. This is a very sad one. You wake up in the morning, you do your job like a normal person, avoiding to do criminal activities so that you can be in good standing with the law, and then you find people who are career criminals who see you as an opportunity for them to get their way out of you. So hence, I'm saying that if there's anyone who knows these guys, you are urged to contact Crime Stop, and hopefully these guys will be caught somehow, because I checked somewhere here, they were not even wearing gloves and they were busy touching. Thing is, I don't know what happened to the car, or what was the outcome of this whole thing, because this is a very sad thing. This is a very sad thing. I don't wish it on anyone to go through it, because when it happens, it's so, yeah, it leaves you shaken up pretty bad. And I've had my own share of such things in my life, but then that's a story for another day. And if you own a vehicle, now this is a different thing. If you own a vehicle and you go to your parking lot, make sure that when you lock your doors, especially if you use a remote, most of the time, if you press a remote to lock your vehicle, make sure that you check the handles if they have indeed locked, because there's another footage that I'm going to bring now, not on this video, of course, of something that happened around Pretoria, Beyers Naudé, but that's a video for another, yeah, for another one. On this one, this is me urging you to assist wherever you can in terms of finding these guys. Those who know how to enhance pictures, please do. These are the suspects. This is the first one. This is the second one. And here's the one at the back. Is not clearly visible. And then there's another one behind the driver here. As you can see, the owner of the vehicle, he has been forced to lie down at the back. So now this is me urging you to please share the images of these guys to the authorities so that they can be apprehended and be brought to book. And yeah, that's it for me. Yeah, I am signing out. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.